Before we start the video, I want you to subscribe to the best Telegram channel at the first link in the description, where we show our earnings on cryptocurrencies, and not only. Our capital that we manage is more than $3 million. Thanks for subscribing. Also in the description is a links to verified exchangers, when you register on which you get a welcome bonus from me. Let's get to the video. Greetings friends, you are on the Cryptanic channel. And today we are going to talk about such cryptocurrency as TON. Is this cryptocurrency worth buying? How many X's can it make? And what is it anyway? And most importantly, I'll remind you that TON is not equal to Durov and Telegram at this point. Subscribe to my Telegram channel with my deals, news, whose link is in the description to this video. So let's start at the beginning, because most people don't understand what TON is and don't want to figure it out and think that TON is Telegram, Durov and all that kind of stuff. But it's not. Let's start with the basics. What is TON? As mentioned, TON is a Layer 1 blockchain network, a so-called Layer 1 altcoin, originally launched in 2018. In addition, TON is an acronym for the Open Network, and TON coin is a native cryptocurrency of the Open Network. In addition, TON uses the POS model, making it a scalable and secure network for potentially billions of users. At first, TON faced several obstacles and challenges in its early stages. The initial main goal of the network was to facilitate crypto payments via Telegram. However, SEC intervened when Telegram failed to report the sale of its tokens to Gram, to the tune of nearly $20 million, and Telegram ended up losing the initial court case, and thus decided to part ways with TON. After TON coin parted ways with Telegram, the software developers continued to work on the TON network. In 2020, they launched again as Newton, and with its new improved operability and scalability, TON boasts a fast, secure network for all of its users. It facilitates transactions with minimal transaction fees and easy-to-use applications. TON coin also allows users to buy goods and services through its network app. We also need to touch a little bit on what proof of stake is, so that people understand how proof of stake is related to TON coin. Now, essentially, when I've covered what TON coin is, and that information is probably for 99% of people, now I'm going to talk about proof of stake. It's essentially an energy-efficient blockchain network protocol. While many networks have abandoned proof of work, the same one that Ethereum got away from, proof of stake provides the same scalability and security, but with only a fraction of the cost and low power consumption. The proof of stake protocol verifies transactions and validates new blocks by selecting random validators, while proof of work uses a competitive verification method to validate transactions. This is easy enough, but hard enough to grasp. But if you're in cryptocurrency, you should understand what proof of work and proof of stake are, because that's the basis. Basically, after the successful completion of the POW protocol, TON now uses consensus POS. It is claimed to be super fast, secure, and cost-effective compared to other networks. In addition, the developers of the TON network have taken note of the rising transaction costs of blockchain networks and designed the TON coin so that it costs minimal transaction fees. TON coin fees are about a penny or so, roughly half a cent or less. These costs are negligible compared to other blockchains. It is mostly due to the very algorithms of POS. Now let's talk about why TON coin will grow in value. Examples of TON usage. Why the price TON coin will rise. Why will TON be in demand? As the blockchain ecosystem evolves, TON coin's impact on the new economy and Web3 may become more prominent because, already now, TON coin represents transaction processing fees up the chain with smart contracts. It allows you to pay for services provided by applications built on the TON network. Also, it provides capital to nominators in exchange for a share of its rewards. And soon, TON will also allow payments for TON proxies to store data. When it comes to comparing TON to other blockchains, like Layer 1 altcoins, according to the TON network's website, TON's technology is far ahead of other blockchains on the network. TON supposedly has a faster blockchain validation time, coming in at 5 seconds, whereas, for example, Ethereum takes about 12 seconds. In addition, the most notable difference between the TON network and Ethereum or Solana is the support for sharding. Sharding communication of the TON network is performed at an impressive, almost instantaneous, speed. And, in addition, the sharding support for the TON network is a maximum of 260 segments per working chain. If, in this blog to talk about the future of TON coin, because further information I will connect, just the same, with Pavel Durov and Telegram. Like all cryptocurrencies, nobody can say exactly what the future will bring. But can another network be more successful and advanced in technology? Of course it can, because it is a cryptocurrency market and blockchain will always evolve. But at this stage of its development, TON coin does seem like a promising technology due to its energy efficiency, minimal transaction fees, and fast transaction times. TON coin is sure to be a promising blockchain network. And my friends, what I usually tell you, if you take coins to the spot, there must be some sort of development team behind the coins. First of all, and most importantly, technology. Without technology, taking a coin into your portfolio on the spot makes no sense. And while I'm recording this video, I'm confident that TON will give the new bull market more than a dozen axes. Because, the day before yesterday, Pavel Durov said that Telegram begins development of decentralized tools, including non-custodial wallets and DEX. The blockchain industry was built on the promise of decentralization, but ended up being concentrated in the hands of a few who began to abuse their power. As a result, a lot of people lost their money when FTX, one of the largest exchanges, went bankrupt. The solution is clear. Blockchain-based projects should go back to their roots, decentralization. Cryptocurrency users should switch to trustless transactions and self-hosted wallets that don't rely on any single third party. It took only 5 weeks and 5 people, including myself, to put together Fragment, a fully decentralized auction platform. We were able to do this because Fragment is based on the open network, or TON, a blockchain platform that is fast and efficient enough to host popular applications unlike Ethereum, which unfortunately remains outdated and expensive even after its recent tweaks. Fragment has been an amazing success, with 50 million USD worth of usernames sold there in less than a month. This week, Fragment will expand beyond usernames. Telegram's next step is to build a set of decentralized tools, including non-custodial wallets and decentralized exchanges for millions of people to securely trade and store cryptocurrencies. This way we can fix the wrongs caused by the excessive centralization, which let down hundreds of thousands of cryptocurrency users. The time when the inefficiencies of legacy platforms justified centralization should be long gone. With technologies like TON reaching their potential, the blockchain industry should finally be able to deliver on its core mission, giving the power back to the people. Pavel Durov stated, and after all this information, I opened the TON coin price chart. And I want to warn you not to buy at these prices, at $1, $8 or $2. Because I'm sure, even after all this information from Pavel Durov, after Bitcoin goes down at least $13,000 or $12,000, let alone $10,000, I am waiting for TON coin at $1, $2, where I will buy this altcoin in my long-term portfolio or medium-term portfolio and wait for at least minimal profit. If we talk about some medium-term trade up to $1, $6 or $1, $7. But, most likely, I will look at the situation on the fact. And if I buy in the $1, $2 range, I will hold TON coin to at least $5. Because I figure the capitalization of this altcoin allows it to get to this point on such bullish news in the new bull market. That would be a great trade. But, in my opinion, again, I am not the kind of person who would hold a coin for any number of years. And why there is a cover in the preview with the title, buy up to 100x's, because I'm sure that TON, in the future, will be worth more than $10. And that's unequivocally, for sure. Because Pavel Durov is already fully integrated with this altcoin. So my friends, as usual, I am giving you some information, but I hope that you will dig deeper on your own. So I will wish you, as usual, knowledge. Because knowledge allows you to make money in the financial markets. This was the Cryptanic channel with you. I'll see you around, and see you soon.